Drugstore, inexpensive. My Red Bull is kicked in, girl. And I am hyper. Okay, I'm hyper. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I purchased the last couple of weeks from the drugstore slash Ulta slash Morphe. We just have a makeup haul. It's mostly inexpensive slash drugstore items, and I cannot wait to show you guys. Before we get into today's video, please be sure to hit the subscribe button to join the KB family, and also hit that like button if you haven't already. And let's get into this haul because we got quite a bit of stuff. Not a lot, but quite a bit. And we all know I like to talk. So grab a snack, grab your drink, get your Red Bulls, because girl, you know I love my Red Bull. Oof. I was telling my boyfriend how I get excited about the blue and the red. It's just so pretty. I love it. Okay, we're starting off with Ulta, and these are the items that I purchased from the Black Friday sale that they were having. There is one item that is not in here, but I pretty much have the same thing in here. So I got the Ardell Wispies. I don't think were they buy one, get one? I don't know. But I purchased two of them because you can never have enough falsies, girl. And I like the 5-packs because your girl tends to run out pretty quickly. So I bought 2 packs of these. I want to say the other ones that I have are the 115s or something like that. But they're in the other room. I was like, you know what? The next thing I purchased is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix Ultimate Coverage Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. I did not receive this in PR, and I really wanted to try it to like conceal my eyes, for priming my eyes, for concealing my under eyes. Who knows? I feel like it's going to be very thick, so I think this is going to be a really great primer, but we have to see. The next thing I purchased is this NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. I've had this before. Don't recall liking it at all. I feel like it was back then when I had it. This was like when I was in the NYX Face Awards a long time ago, when NYX wasn't completely on their makeup game, but now they are. I feel like it was just literally water in a bottle and I didn't notice much, and everybody was like, yeah, this is amazing, and I was like, I don't see it. So I really wanted to give this a second shot and see if I like it. Next thing I picked up was another mascara primer, and this is the Milani, the Violet One Lash Primer. And you guys, if you haven't seen my previous Full Face of Drugstore makeup video, then you would have known that I used the L'Oreal Base Primer mascara, and I was like, whoa, like what? We need to start using primer more? I don't know. I really wanted to try it out. So this is the Milani, the Violet One Lash Primer. This is, well, it says new, but the thing is, I never know if things are actually new or if they've been there for a while, and obviously the packaging is going to say new. So if they've had this for several months, it's still gonna say new, you know? I don't know if it's actually new or not. The next 2 items I purchased were from Real Techniques, and this is the powder bronzer brush and the light layer powder and bronzer brush. I just picked up 2 brushes for powder, blush, any, you know, I wanted some powder brushes. I got powder brushes. They're super cute. Why not? Next, I picked up 2 eyeshadow palettes from Essence, and this is the Hello Berlin, or Hello Berlin, and Hey LA. I said that's so weird. Hey LA. So this is the Hello Berlin. Super gorgeous. I really hope that this lives up to what it looks like. It looks gorgeous. There's greens, blacks, browns. We got lots of neutrals in here. I'm excited to use this. Then we have the Hey LA palette that I really wanted to have just a little bit of pop of color in there. So we have 2 different eyeshadow palettes for 2 different looks. This is not drugstore inexpensive. However, it was on sale for $18. This is the Kat Von D True Portrait Liquid to Powder Foundation. And I used to love the Locket Tattoo Foundation. Is that what it's called? Locket Tattoo Foundation. And I moved away from that. I'm no longer in love with it. Yes, it's full coverage, but it's very thick, and I can't love it again. However, I really wanted to try this out because apparently it's amazing. So we're just gonna have to see. Last thing I purchased from Ulta was this Revlon Rose Glow Hydrating Illuminating Primer. And I do not have dry skin. However, I really wanted to try this out for people who do have dry skin to see if it will give you a nice glow, if it'll hydrate you. It does say illuminating, doesn't mean that it's dewy, so we'll just have to see. But I saw it was new. I was like, you know what? Let me try it. Moving on to Walmart slash Target. I picked up a highlighting duo from Hard Candy, and this is in the shade Just Glow Blushing on You. Sorry, this is in the shade Blushing on You. Looks like a blush and a highlighter. However, this does have a lot of reflex in it, like shimmery reflex. So we'll just have to see if this is gonna go on well as a blush, or maybe as like, I have this like NARS powder that it's an orgasm illuminator. So it has a bit of blush in it, but it also has highlight in it, and it looks really beautiful on the skin. I'm not wearing it today. However, it gives me a nice blush slash highlight. Does that make sense? So like that sun-kissed glow, that gives me that. And I want to see if this will do that. I'm not really getting that color from it. Maybe if you're a lighter tone, but we'll have to see. Again, future video. Next, I picked up 3 e.l.f. bite-sized duos because I've been on the hunt for these and I could not find them anywhere. So I got 3 face duos. This is in the shade Lychee, in the shade Pomegranate, and Spiced Apple. Next thing I picked up was this Maybelline Lasting Fix up to 16-hour wear matte finishing spray. I picked this up because I needed more mattifying setting sprays that are inexpensive other than Morphe, because all I use is Morphe. And it's not even, the one I love is not even mattifying. It's just a regular setting spray. So I needed mattifying setting sprays because it gives you that nice, beautiful mattifying look. Next, I picked up this Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Topaz. And I just saw this and I was like, this packaging is so gorgeous. I really want to try this out. So I'm going to be using this in my future video. I also picked up a liquid lipstick in the shade Chai Genius, and this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipstick. I think I've tried one of these before. Wasn't a huge fan of it, but it wasn't terrible either. So I really want to try this in a different color. And this is a new color, so maybe they changed the formula a little bit. We'll have to see. Plus mine is probably old, so there's no point in putting the old one on anymore. That's probably why I don't like it. I don't know. I don't know. Moving on to Target. I want to say I got 2 things, but it might have been something that wasn't part of this haul. It might have been something that I just needed. Can't remember. However, I went and picked up this e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. Again, another setting mist that I really want to try out. This is new, so we just have to see. Moving on to the last section of this haul, which is Morphe, because they were having a sale for Black Friday. Well, it was like right before Black Friday. It was like 50% off. I don't know, it was some percent off their 35 pan eyeshadow palettes, and I picked up the Nikita Dragon collaboration. I tried doing an Instagram video and it didn't turn out well, so I'm gonna have to redo it. You can kind of tell that I've used it. I kind of want to do a review on this palette, so if you guys would like to see that, leave it in the comments down below so I can get to it ASAP, because this is a newer item on the market. I finally purchased a 35OM palette and I can't wait to do a lot of Instagram looks with this. I feel like this is going to be something more so for like Instagram looks, just doing like neutral looks. If you guys want something inexpensive, however, it has a lot of colors. I really like that Morphe has inexpensive eyeshadow palettes, but with a lot of color range, or well, not a lot of color range, let's be real, okay? A lot of colors, a lot of pans, and I'm trying to choose the right words to say here, but it has a lot of pans in it, and it's inexpensive, and this is really good for aspiring makeup artists that want to start their kit, and you just have all the colors. Not all the colors, you definitely need a black in here, but this is a really good bridal makeup kit. I feel like this is the fastest I've ever done a makeup haul before, because I love to talk about stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below on what you're excited to see most so I can get to it, because I think we're gonna have to break these up into 2 videos of full face of yada yada yada. You know what I'm saying? Drugstore, inexpensive. My Red Bull is kicked in, girl, and I am hyper. Okay, I'm hyper. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the KB family, and also be on the lookout for those videos that are coming up very soon to you, to a home theater / home near you. Yeah. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!